from hypothalamus, the gonadotropin releasing hormone will come into anterior pituitary and will stimulate the secretion of LH luteinizing hormone and FSH follicular stimulating hormone. Okay, now you guys see this LH will act on Leydig cell and FSH will act on Sertoli cell. How you will remember this? You just see LH luteinizing hormone, this L is here is same with Leydig cells L. Okay, and now how you will remember the secretion? The Leydig cell will secrete testosterone. If you invert this L, it will become D, and this is how you will remember it. The Leydig cells we're going to secrete testosterone. Now the important thing here is that for the negative feedback we have to remember that testosterone is going to inhibit both luteinizing hormone and gonadotropin releasing hormone. Okay, now let's come into FSH, follicular stimulating hormone. You see here is S. This S is now for Sertoli cell, and this is how you will remember that FSH will act on Sertoli cell. But how you will remember the secretion? You see Sertoli cell, at the end there is a word I. So from this I you will remember inhibin. Now what for the negative feedback we have to remember that inhibin only inhibit FSH. Okay, it only inhibit FSH. Okay, it cannot inhibit or suppress or decrease as a negative feedback GnRH. But testosterone will inhibit LH and also GnRH. But inhibin will only inhibit FSH, not GnRH. You have to remember this. Now we have to remember another secretion of Sertoli cell during fetal life. And if you see Sertoli cell at the end is I and it secrete inhibin. From this inhibin we can also remember Mullerian inhibitory factor is also secreted by Sertoli cell. Okay, so we have to remember this. Now you see here GnRH, FSH, Sertoli cell, it will act on inhibin, and in the FSH you see there is word S, so Sertoli cell, and in the Sertoli at the end there is word inhibin. So this is it will secrete inhibin, and from this inhibin you will also remember that Mullerian inhibitory factor is also secreted by Sertoli cells. Okay, now here this one FSH, and for the Leydig cells you already now know. Okay, GnRH, LH, L is same to Leydig cells, and it will secrete, if you invert this L, it will become testosterone, and this testosterone as a negative feedback, it will inhibit LH and GnRH both. Now let's solve the MCQs related to this topic. Okay, on the routine physical examination, a 21-year-old Caucasian male is found to have only one testis in his scrotum. Further evaluation reveals an elevated serum FSH level and normal serum LH level. Production of which of the following substance is likely to be impaired in this patient? Testosterone, dihydrotestosterone, DHEA, inhibin B, and cortisol. Okay, LH is normal, so you will not be talking about LH. FSH is elevated. Okay, now you see this FSH, as I already said you guys that from this S we will remember Sertoli cell. Okay, and at the end of Sertoli cell there is word I, so from I this will be inhibin B, or you can say simple inhibin and inhibin D. So it's mean that the answer to this question is going to be D, and that is inhibin B, because FSH is going to secrete inhibin B. So the answer is D. Okay. A 25-year-old male is evaluated for infertility. Lab study reveals a loss from count, and more thorough evaluation elucidates a rare genetic abnormality that lead to the inactivation of FSH receptor. Which of the following substances is most likely to decrease in this patient? FSH, LH, inhibin B, testosterone, and DHE. Now you already know FSH will act on Sertoli cells, and at the end of Sertoli cell there is word I, and so it will secrete inhibin B. So the answer will be probably C. Okay, just very simple. So let us see the answer. The correct answer is C, inhibin